Hi, you might have received an email saying that part of your video has been, or all of it has been, copyrighted. It may not be shown in some countries, part of your audio. In this video, you're going to see if you received an email like this, what you can do. Edit out the segment. I'm going to show you how to do that. Edit out the segment of the video in a few easy steps. So on your PC, you can't do this on a tablet. Or can't do this on an iPhone, rather. You search for the video that you've been notified about. Go down the left-hand side to Editor. Then you select your music track. Using the search bar, you can search for different moods of music track. You can listen to your music track, so you just add these individually. If you can't see any of the music tracks that you've added, then just press the downward arrow key and the timeline will move up. Avoid any music with CC on, because that means it's got to put a credit back to the person who created the video, and by doing so it might mean that you might forget to put the credit back to the person in the description. So this video had 7 copyright claims. You cannot play this in certain countries, so I've got to add lots of little audio clips to the video. So I'm just adding them and then dragging them along. There's a slight overlap with the video clips, with the audio clips. So you could see when I moved my mouse over the 3 little dots, I had different menu options there, such as remove and stuff like that. See all the different types of moods there, different actions you can carry out. So I want a funky mood for an audio track. So if I press a downward arrow on the keyboard, that will move it down so I can see what's going on. Just drag it over. As you can see, it's a bit too long. So I'm going to move my mouse towards the end and shorten the audio clip. Any audio added will overwrite. If you've uploaded a video with music, it will overwrite it with whatever track you've added. And once you've done that, if you save the changes, then please like and subscribe to watch more videos.